What's good, people? I'm back again with another video. Just before I get into this one, as always, every single video I gotta request everyone that's tuned in, anyone that's watching, whatever you want to call it, please like, comment, share, subscribe, all that good stuff. Let's get these views up, let's get these numbers up, let's get everything up, man. Come on, people. We're 2,900 subscribers. We're nearly at 3,000. Let's get that 3,000 ASAP, man. It's been a long time coming. But yeah, enough of that. Enough of me begging everyone. This one is slightly different. It's actually the second time this Air Max model has been on my channel. I'm not the biggest fan of it, but you know, I have to grab some pairs to show everyone what they look like and stuff like that. The Air Max 90, as you can tell, standard Nike sportswear box. This one's actually a bit different than standard. This is a broken one, but yeah, and it's got a bit of a rip and whatever in it. Don't really care as long as it's still solid. But yeah, people, man, let's just get into the most important bit of the box. The bit where it tells us what it is, the colorway and the sizing. So this is the Nike Air Max 90. Different to the 95s I'm always on about and always wearing. This colorway is also slightly different. It's black and metallic silver. Usually when I buy a pair, it says 3 colorways or 3 colors on there. This just says 2. That's US 11, men's UK 10, centimeters 29, BR 43, Europe 45. And again, I'm confused as to why women's sizing is 0.5 of a centimeter, half a centimeter more. Doesn't make sense. The style code for this specific pair is DX. Break it down. Dun, dun, dun. Shout all my WWE, WWF fans. And then that's 8969001, and as always, or majority of the time, made in Indonesia. So I've seen this pair, not this pair, I actually haven't opened this box. I really wanted to save it for the review, but I've seen them for a moment in the stores and I liked them. Let me see if I still like them. Nike Air Max 90, black and metallic silver. So yes, I definitely do like these because they're quite different. Let's just run through the colors and all that good stuff. So the sole, this is the standard Air Max 90 sole that we have. So it's got black and then that metallic silver. It looks grayish on the bottom, so I'm going to say grey on this bit. So grey on the sole. It's actually 2 different colors, yeah. So that is grey on the sole, definitely, like a wolf grey. Then the mid sole, it's got that metallic silver around the air bubble. This pair only has 1 air bubble. And then we've got the black midsole and the black heel on the midsole. Same thing on the other side, black silver, and then the air bubble, which I believe is blacked out. Yeah, it's a blacked out air bubble. Then we've got that tab that always comes on the Air Max 90, that plastic tab that says Air Max. Then we've got, it's textured leather. Obviously not a real leather, but we've got a textured leather on the bottom panel. We've got that metallic silver swoosh. We've got some that mesh, that solid mesh, or I should say nylon, to be honest, that nylon material there. Another piece of plastic on the laces, and then we've got that same nylon type fake mesh on the toe box. And what I really like about these as well is the mini swoosh. I don't know why, I just love mini swooshes, man. And I definitely think this pair will look so good on foot. Then same on the other side, we've got the plastic on the eye stays. I did notice that these laces are kind of different. I definitely do like those, as they do look like they'll stay solid. So yep, some laces on those. Definitely different quality to normal standard flat ones. I wouldn't say they're rounded as much, but they definitely have more of a 3D feel to them than the flat ones. And then we've got the Nike Air Max square logo in that same silver. I do believe that is reflective or 3M. I should test it in a minute. Inside we have the Nike Air, again in that metallic silver. On the heel tab we have that plastic, again, or that rubber I should say, that the Air Max 90 is very well known for. On the heel tab, every pair has that. And then what's slightly different is they actually have a pull tab, and I actually think that is very useful, especially on this pair, because back in the day when I used to wear these, it would just get crushed. So it's definitely good to have like a pull tab, you know. And I like the liner as well quite a lot. It's quite different to other Air Max 90s that I've had before. So definitely do like the colorway. I think you know, I wanted to get something a bit different for the winter, so you know, a black pair but with the little silver bits all over it. Nice and clean colorway, to be honest. Not doing too much, not doing too less. Can easily be worn with a different range of tracksuits, you know, different colors. If you want to wear black tracksuit, if you want to wear that silvery, dark gray, light gray, whatever you want to call it. All different types of tracksuits, most definitely. But yeah, man, I don't know what to rate these, you know. I like them. They're not wow, they're not amazing to me, but I do like them. So I think I'll say 8 out of 10. Yeah, definitely 8 out of 10 for these, man. I like the colorway. Clean. Tell me what you think about these people. Tell me if you've got them. Tell me if you want them. Tell me if you're getting them. And all that good stuff. That's pretty much it for the review. Just wait a few moments and you'll see the on foot video. And as always, take care, people.